Batman videosuyla karşınızdayım. Şu an 4. bölümdeyiz. En son şey yapıyorduk. Gordon'u kurtaracaktık. Gordon'u kurtaracaktık. Şurada da gördüğünüz gibi şey var. Harley Quinn var. Ara sıra ben şu an Ayberk'le Skype'te konuşuyorum ama mikrofonlarımız kapalı. Belki şey gelebilir, konuşmaya gelebilir belki. Bu kim filan demeyin. Şimdi Harley Quinn orada fark edilmeden onu kurtarmamız gerek, alt etmemiz gerek. Yoksa Harley Quinn Gordon'u öldürür.
Joker's not messing. He wants the old man kept safe for Batman. Anyone gets near him, and it won't be me carrying the can.
No problem. Nothing's getting past me. Batman'll be a dead man, and I'll be faint.
Çok beklersin.
Whatever. Get over there and keep looking. Now go!
Listen up, boys. The commissioner's just died for one of you to spot that freak. When you do, Harley offs the old man. I've got a shiny prize for the one who sees him first.
When Mr. J kills Batman, we're gonna get married. It's gonna be so cool.
Evet. Bu adama sessizce öldüreceğim galiba.
It's gonna be so cool, old man. Just wait and see.
You'll be caught, Quinn. Caught and locked up.
Bunu da alt ettik. Tek o adam kaldı.
Harley's got the old man up top. See the bat or anyone else coming around, he died.
Anyone out there seen Batman yet? No? Not surprised. He's chicken. Mr. J has won again.
Ve bunu da aldık. Manyak mı bu?
Keep your trap
Okay.
shut. You won't get away with this.
That was one of the easy.
Remember, that Melanan and Titan
Abi
Harley
yanlış yaptım.
killed.
You took longer than I thought.
He's out of control. He's trying to prove something. I'm not sure I can stop him this time.
You'll do it. Batman, listen. We're not alone. He's got something else down there. I don't know what it is.
What a blabbermouth! Spoiling the surprise.
Be quiet.
Oh, am I getting to you? Am I? Good. You're going to love this next bit.
Bakalım. Ben bunun olduğunu biliyorum ama size söylemeyeceğim.
It wants Dr. Young's login.
Never mind that. Get behind me, now.
Bane. I thought he broke out of Blackgate.
Cut me down. Who did this to you?
Dr. Young, the Bruja. She drained the venom from my blood. Must stop her.
Sorry, Has Bane. The good doctor won't be a problem much longer. How do you like my puppet? What say we cut him down?
Şimdi şunu düzeltelim. Bir dakika lan. Şunu ayarlayalım. Can arttıralım. Nanoteknolojinin polimer katman elektrik kurşuna karşı etkin koruma sağlar. Ne yapalım? Yakayın.
I will break you this time, Batman!
Ve böyle borulardan kopardık. Teker teker koparacağız borulardan. Öyle sonra da canını götürüyor.
All this trouble and
10 santim gücü yenilenebilecek.
help him out, boy.
Gel bakalım böyle. Çocuklar.
I shall fold you like paper!
Şu dövüşte biraz sesli olabilir mi arkadaşlar? Şöyle konsantre olmam lazım.
Crush you!
Tamam. Bir vuruş daha yemem lazım.
You want some?
What the?
The bat is broken!
Bir dakika. Şunu da şöyle yapalım. Can basalım. Tamam.
You will not escape me again, old enemy!
Abi. Bir dakika, özür dilerim arkadaşlar. Şöyle yapalım. Evet böyle bir kesinti yaşadık. Özür dilerim. Şimdi kat kat yapacağım şuraları. Bir dakika. Kesmeyeceğim. Ayarladım da yere. Aman yanlış yere yaptım. Normal combo gücü doğru zamanla olduğu yerde katlar. Abi canı arttıracaksın ya. Boşver, bir dahakine yaparım. Yalan küçük. Oba. Aldım. Şak şak şak. Ya abi. kafası. Burayı ilk oynadığımda kaçtı dayı. Batman reis kaçtı. Öp gitsin.
Batman, you okay?
Yok
I'm
iyi
fine,
değil.
Jim. Where's Quinn?
Gone. Must have gotten loose while Bane was throwing you around.
We need to get you off the island.
I'm not a rookie. I can handle myself.
Ya he he.
I will break you, Batman. Then the Bruja.
No, Bane. This time I break you.
Oo. Arabayla koydu ona.
Jim, get back to the mainland. It's too dangerous here.
I don't like leaving you here.
Radio claims he's planted bombs all over Gotham. Gotham will panic. You're needed there.
We're ready to go now, sir.
Bane called Dr. Young Bruja. What does it mean?
It's Spanish for witch.
Oo güzeldi.
Oracle, go through the city's computers. Pull up all you can find on Dr. Young. I'll go through anything you find once I get to the cave.
A bat cave on Arkham Island?
I built it years ago. It's best to plan ahead for situations like this.
How'd you manage to keep this a secret?
Çünkü o Batman.
It's me, remember?
So do you think Dr. Young's been experimenting with venom? The same chemical that turns Bane into that animal?
Yes, I'm worried. Bane seemed even more powerful than usual. Joker wants the venom, and that can only be trouble.
I'm heading to Dead Man's Point in Arkham North. I'll contact you once I'm in the Batcave.
Kaldı Batman.
Cool! He's here!
You hit like an old man.
Acın altında acı. Lo, 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 lo. Oo, oo, ama acımıştı. Abi kovmam bir şey. Neredeydi bu?
What's the deal with Dead Man's Point? It's been a favorite suicide location in Arkham Island for over 100 years.
Yeah, I know. I once saved an unfortunate inmate from leaping off into the rocks below. I found a cave entrance and over the years have moved a number of supplies here. It's a regular home away from home.
Orada. Şunun üstüne ben süzüleyim. Allah Allah.
Piece by piece!
Şu an beni durdurabileceğini mi sanıyorsun lan?
Hit him again.
Allah. Şurası sağ, tam şurada. Batman Point bölgesinde mağarayı takip ettik.
My family's blood ran through the heart of Gotham. We were doctors, politicians, and teachers. We have been the organ, cleaning the arterial filth from the city. We have been its servants, giving all to protect it. And still it has chosen to hurt us.
Bayağı saklamış Batman ya. Yine bir saniye. Nasıl bunu yaptı biliyor musunuz? Çünkü o Batman. Because it's Batman.
Identity confirmed. Disabling countermeasures. Security deactivated.
Yer dışı bırak lan. Batman yetişi geldi.
On.
Tek şey için. Kanatlar için galiba.
Dr. Young was heading up a project. It was big, lots of external funding. Here are the last notes she filed. I can't make sense of it. What does it mean?
Looks like she was experimenting on the Arkham patients. This new chemical only barely resembles the original Venom compound.
There are a number of changes that appear to amplify the strength of the drug. Multiple references to a Titan formula. Even a small amount could trigger a Venom-like transformation in the host, eliminating the need for the storage tank Bane requires.
Hang on. These notes aren't complete. The formula is missing. That must be the secret Dr. Young is hiding. If Joker gets his hands on this, he will create an army of 1,000 Banes.
My God. Is Joker crazy enough to do that? What am I saying? You've got to stop him.
Aynen. O iyi silah. O iyi. Batclaw. Belirli objelere kadar ve bir güç ile çeker. Batclaw ayrıca düşmanları da fırlatabilir. Tamam bakma o kadar be.
I'm going after her. She was heading to the mansion with cash. I'm going up top via the catacombs.
Anam. Burada videoyu bitirelim. Dışarı çıkalım arkadaşlar.
Sorry, boss. Took a little longer to find him than you figured it would.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'll try and be more precise next time I'm planning an island takeover. You there? Calling all cars! Calling all cars! Wonder who got you? Cross to the back.
Why are we the ones front?
Güzelmiş lan bu.
Okay, buddy?
Hadi be.
Challenge completed. Can you do more?
I've been digging deeper into Dr. Young. According to her bank records, there have been multiple payments starting last April until 2 months ago. Then nothing. The payments came from a company owned...
One of Joker's oldest aliases. So, Joker pays Dr. Young to create his army, and then all of a sudden he stops. Doesn't make any sense.
Şimdi buraya tırmanma görevine geldik. Burada videoyu kapatacağım. Ne diyor? Kaydet. Çok tuhaf. Doktor Young hesaplarına yapılan ödemeler kesilmemiş. Geri çevirmiş. Doktor Young hesabını kapatmış.
Sounds like she had a
Anlaşılan
change
bir
of
şeylerden
heart.
vazgeçmiş.
She tried to
Ödemeleri
block
bloke
the
etmeye
payments.
çalışmış.
Joker doesn't like it when his partners try to back out.
So he decided to get himself
O
back
yüzden
to
Arkham'a
Arkham,
geri dönüp
find his
formülü
formula,
orduyu
and create
kendisi
the
yaratmak
army
istemiş.
himself.
Exactly.
Aynen.
I've
Kaydedeceğim mi?
hacked into her email accounts. 2 mails stand
Email
out. The
gözüküyor.
first is a resignation letter dated last week. Sounds like she was trying to get away.
And the second?
A message from Joker. Well, Jack White. A message from Joker. Well, Jack White. It's a long thread. She's begging to stop the experiment. Says it's too dangerous. He's not listening. Let's see. Random threats to her family, a couple of bad jokes, a picture of a dead baby, and a threat.
Go on.
He says, I'm coming for you. I want what I paid for. And then another joke about wheelchairs. Lovely. And a drawing of some kind of donkey.
No mystery why she's so scared. I'm coming up to...
Bakın arkadaşlar.
Service.
Geri
I'll
döndüm.
find her.
Şimdi şey diyor, hesapları geri çekmiş filan diyor.
So what was it that gave it away? The big green glowing question mark?
Çık bakalım buradan. Abi ne zaman yukarı çıkacağız?
You're kidding me, right? That thing's not a man. My God!
Hello. My name is Dr. Gretchen Whistler. Do you understand me?
Yok. Rus kesin ya, öyle konuşuyor. Kabul etmesi daha iyi. Dışarı çıktık galiba. Tamam. Evet arkadaşlar, abone olmayı unutmayın, beğenmeyi unutmayın. O zaman hoşça kalın.